Hi, Liam Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. I'm going to be playing and teaching at Edinburgh Harmonica Workshop from the 19th to the 21st of July 2019. Also appearing are the great Ronnie Shellist, Sankey and Tomlin Leckie, not to be missed, so check out the tickets in the link below. I'm here to tell you about my classes at the workshop. I'm going to be teaching some jug band harmonica playing. Now I play jug and also harmonica with a couple of jug bands. One of them is the Rumble Strutters, the other one is the Jake Leg Jug Band. I tour a lot with them. I'd like to teach you some of the tricks of the trade when it comes to jug band music. It sits somewhere between blues, folk, jazz, gospel, ragtime. I'm going to teach you everything I know about that distinctive style. I have a new album out with these guys, the Liam Ward Band. This is the album Uprising, and I'm going to be teaching you some stuff that I played on this album. It's all original, modern blues harmonica, so really kind of pushing the boundaries and trying to do some new stuff in the amplified blues harmonica tradition. So join me to learn all my secrets and be able to play along with the album. Finally, I'm going to be teaching you some handcrafted phrases for playing over the most tricky part of a 12-bar blues. The last 4 bars, the 5-4-1 chords. Most harmonica players get stuck and they just play the same boring stock phrases again and again. I want to get you out of that rut and playing some really cool stuff. So I've written a load of stuff for us to play and for you to learn and for you to take away and add to your playing. So that's just my classes. You've also got a whole host of stuff from Ronnie Shellist and Tomlin Leckie and Sankey. So check out their videos and most importantly, follow the link beneath this video to get your tickets. That's it from me. I hope to see you in Edinburgh.